Bed discharge cleaning. The main purpose of this task is to make sure the bed is hygienically cleaned and free from germs and bacteria that may cause illness. Before you start work, check the appropriate safe system of work, including the chemical safety data sheet, COSH assessment and risk assessment before commencing the task. Ventilate the area where possible. Clean your hands as per the local policy. Check for cuts and abrasions and cover with a waterproof dressing if required. Select, check and put on the appropriate PPE as per the risk assessment. Please refer to the National Standards for Healthcare Cleanliness. Assemble the colour-coded equipment and/or machinery. Using appropriate PPE, prepare the approved cleaning disinfecting agent according to the manufacturer's instructions. Place the caution signs. Ensure cleaning, chemicals and disinfecting agents are kept safely locked away, either in the trolley or cleaning cupboard at all times, including in between tasks. Check for any damage to the area and report it in line with your local policy. If you notice any signs of pest infestation, report it as required. The tools you'll need for bed discharge cleaning are caution signs, appropriate PPE as per the risk assessment, bucket with cleaning disinfecting agent, cloths. We'll now take you through how to discharge clean a bed. Ensure the bed is fully stripped of linen and mattress and establish if the bed area has been subjected to any infection. If in doubt, ask. Ensure the work area is safe and place the caution signs as appropriate. Release the bed breaks. Move the bed slightly away from the wall to allow access to the head of the bed. Reapply the brakes. Place the bed in the position recommended by the bed manufacturer for cleaning and lower or raise the level of the bed to a comfortable height to work at. Disconnect from the mains. Using a clean cloth, soak it well in the cleaning disinfecting agent. Wring out and fold correctly. If using disposable wipes, always check contact times and suitability. Detach all the removable bed parts including mattress, base plates, head and footboards. This will vary depending on the type of bed. Wipe the bed frame underneath the plates, then each detached plate before replacing them again. Damp wipe the headboard and footboard before putting back into position. Ensure the supports and crevices are all clean. Follow the manufacturer's guidance to clean the underside of the frame. Working from top to bottom, damp wipe all the parts including the cross supports, brakes and wheels, changing the cloth and cloth sides frequently. Raise the cot sides and wipe clean systematically from top to bottom. Wipe clean the patient bed control and cord and replace on the cot side rail. When cleaning the mattress and pillow, please refer to the standard operating procedures for this task. Reconnect the bed to the main supply. Reposition the bed to the correct height for use. Release the brakes and push the bed back to the wall into the original position. Reapply the brakes. Wipe clean the bed control handset once more with a clean side of the cloth and place back into position. The bed should not be made up with fresh linen until the frame, mattress and pillows are dry. Follow your local protocol to identify that the bed has been cleaned and is ready to go back into service. Reinstate the area when all the items are dry and remove the caution sign. When you've finished, check all areas are completed, correctly dispose of or clean materials used as per your local policy. Always check with your supervisor if you're unsure. Dispose of any waste or debris as per your local policy. If using cleaning disinfecting agents, ensure you lock them away safely. Clean and dry all the equipment. Clean and remove the caution signs when the area is safe and dry. Store the equipment safely. Charge battery or machinery as per the manufacturer's instructions. Correctly dispose of all PPE. Clean your hands. Close the ventilation where necessary.